Today on Third Shift Crafts, we're making a McDonald's Filet-O-Fish dupe. Crispy, cheesy, and way better than the drive-thru. This recipe is inspired by one on all recipes, but of course I put my own spin on it. I've got most of the ingredients ready to go: mayonnaise, sweet relish, cornstarch, Dijon mustard, all-purpose flour, panko, breadcrumbs, salt, paprika, and an egg. And of course we'll need the cod fillets, hamburger buns, and American cheese for that classic Filet-O-Fish touch. Let's start with the tartar sauce. It's just a simple mix of mayo and sweet relish. No need to measure. I just eyeball it until it looks right. Once that's mixed, I'll pop it in the fridge while we get the fish batter ready. In a separate bowl, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mayo, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and an equal amount of flour. Then 1 egg, a dash of paprika, and some salt. Mix that all together and then add a little water until you've got a smooth, pourable batter. Runny, but not too thin. In another bowl, I've got my panko breadcrumbs ready. Now I'll take the 4 pieces of cod, dredge each one in the batter, and coat it well in panko. Once they're all coated, I give the tops a light spray of avocado oil and set them in the freezer to firm up until it's time to cook. Now we're heading outside to fire up the griddle. I like to start by getting it cleaned and preheated, then toss on some frozen french fries. They'll take a little bit of babysitting, but it saves washing another dish, and they actually turn out pretty great. Once the fries are nearly done, I add the breaded cod to the other side of the griddle to shallow fry. Flip occasionally so they cook evenly. We're aiming for an internal temp of about 145 degrees Fahrenheit. When they're almost there, I'll top each piece with a slice of American cheese and splash a little water on the griddle to steam and melt the cheese perfectly. For the buns, I'm using homemade ones, but any soft hamburger bun will do. I toast them lightly on the griddle, then spread tartar sauce on the bottom bun, layer on the cheesy cod, and add a little more sauce on top and cap it off. Serve it up with those crispy fries, and there you go, a homemade filet-o-fish that's every bit as comforting as the fast food classic, but fresh off your own griddle. Thanks for watching Third Shift Crafts. If you like this recipe, hit subscribe for more woodworking, outdoor cooking, and winemaking projects, all crafted by hand and rooted in home.